take a look at the weather now. And Tom, a taste of spring this week.
Jeremy, our state can look forward to the warmest weather since April during the coming week, although we can still expect the odd shower, just like we saw in Sydney before sunrise this morning. Now, the city's run of mild minimums continued this morning. A low of 12 was 3 above the average. That's the 11th consecutive night in double digits. Across the west, temperatures overnight were as much as 7 above average. Now, today brought a mixture of sun and cloud. We reached 19 in the city, 1 above average, and 19 to 20 across the west. Now, today's light showers near the coast continues a wet year for Sydney, although rain has eased off during the past couple of months. The 2024 total at Observatory Hill has now reached 1,362 millimetres. That exceeds the average for an entire year. And apart from 2022, it's Sydney's wettest start to a year since the 1990s. Now, despite the slightly drier conditions in recent weeks, Sydney is still easily the wettest non-Australian capital in 2024. Our total is currently 1,000 millimetres, or 1 metre above Melbourne's. Across the state last night, minimums were as much as 8 above average in the central east and much colder in the south. It was -7 at Cooma. The maximums today were as much as 4 above average in the southwest and 4 below average in the northeast. Now, on the satellite, low cloud is lingering over the east, while a band of cloud is approaching from the west. Now, it's forming near this weakening cold front, which will transition into a trough tomorrow, but still trigger showers and storms across the south. Around the country, a high chance of showers for all southern capitals. However, for Canberra and Hobart, they're unlikely until late afternoon. For the northeast, a medium chance of showers for the northern rivers, only the slight chance elsewhere across the north, while the south should remain dry. Just the odd shower developing around the Hunter near midnight. For the southeast, dry early ahead of possible late showers on the ranges and across the south coast. That includes the chance of thunderstorms around the central and southern tablelands. Staying warm for winter, 5 in Thredbo with more snowmelt. To the west, a high chance of showers and the risk of a storm right across the south, and a mostly sunny day anywhere north of about Wilcannia to Dubbo. And it's warming up to 29 degrees in the northwest. On the waters, we'll have strong winds south of Smoky Capes, and the seas will rise up to 2.5 metres. Calmer conditions on the far north coast. Now for Sydney, the chance of early fog in the west, a mostly sunny day ahead of possible showers starting in the west, but possibly not reaching the coast until late in the evening. After a cool start, north and northeasterly winds will lift maximums above average, 10 to 22 degrees for the city, 7 to 23 in Penrith and 9 to 22 in Gosford. The sun will rise at 6:27, setting at 5:31. And ahead, even warmer on Wednesday, 25 degrees. Now, that would be our warmest day in 4 months. Partly cloudy Thursday with just a possible shower, 22 to 23. Now, staying partly cloudy Friday through to Sunday. Again, just a slight chance of a shower, and remaining unseasonably warm for August, up to 27 in the west this weekend. Jeremy.
Tom, thank you. Time to take you to Sarah Ferguson with 7:30.